Welcome to my new video. It's been a long time since I have made one of these. So today I have Tri-rhomb. So like Tri-rhomb padlock. So as you can see, there is 3 rhombs. I don't know what rhomb is, but there is 3 of them. Yeah, size 60 millimeter, number C288, made in China, brass padlock, and in Finnish here it says riippulukko padlock, Tri-rhomb 60 millimeter, messing brass. So nothing special here. And I counted it is 4 pins, I think, and I don't think there is any security pins in this, so yeah. Let's see what will I be using. I think standard hook and top of the keyway tension, and let's use this hook. It's pretty standard hook, so feedback is very bad, very crunchy, and can't feel anything. I don't know if I should. My pick just broke. Perfect. I don't know if I should use more force or less force. I think less. But yeah, the feedback is very non-existent. Do we have a false set? Yeah, it was false set. So there is spool. I think in number 1 there was a spool. But yeah, that was surprising. I don't have any tools to open and check, but yeah, either the pin was badly made, like serrated, or it was a spool. But yeah, that was Tri-rhomb 60 millimeter brass padlock, number 28860. And the fitting, you can see it's not bad, but yeah, there is only 1, 2, 3, I think 4. Yeah. Yeah, not a very good lock, so I wouldn't recommend it. Hit the like if you like this video, and hit the subscribe if you really like this video. So yeah, and it's summer here in Finland, so I wish you good summer for everyone. Bye.